In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Wise digital card to your digital wallet. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring a seamless experience. So let's dive right in. First, ensure that you're logged into your Wise account. This step is crucial as you need to be in the account to manage and view your digital cards. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards section. This is where you'll find all the digital cards linked to your account. It's important to make sure you already have at least one digital card set up. If not, you'll need to create or request a digital card within Wise before proceeding. Having confirmed that you have a digital card, select the card you wish to add to your digital wallet. This action will bring up relevant details about the card. Next, you'll want to link your chosen card to your digital wallet. This step is key to enabling the use of your card for transactions within your wallet's app. You'll be able to see all the card details displayed right there on the screen. To access some of this information, you might be prompted to enter your password again. This is an important security measure to protect your sensitive information. Once you access the card details, follow the screen prompts to complete the linking process. When your card is successfully linked, you're all set to use it as a payment method. This means you can now enjoy the convenience of purchasing items, paying bills, or sending money directly from your digital wallet using your Wise card. This functionality adds a layer of ease and versatility to your financial transactions, enabling a more streamlined and efficient experience. Remember, the linked card offers flexibility and convenience anywhere the wallet is accepted, so take advantage of this integration to simplify your financial activities. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. You started by logging into your Wise account. Then, you verified the presence of a digital card before selecting it for linking. After entering your password for security verification, you linked the card to your digital wallet, allowing you to use it seamlessly. It's as simple as that. With these straightforward steps, you're ready to navigate your financial landscape more fluidly and securely. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident managing your digital cards within your Wise account. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments or check Wise's help section for more detailed support. See you in the next video.